right now I think we can. The car is in the garage, so but he has a new toy. Ella, ella. We are right now back in Switzerland, so cleaning the car after 6 months. So it's nice here because you have some car cleaning station, and then amazing. So I will show you a little bit around. These days we will meet some friends and family members and show you a little bit yeah, like the normal Switzerland lifestyle. And yeah, after that we will travel the next month, so enjoy. We see us. Like here you see, like there are very small little towns, and then you drive through it, and then yeah, we will come in the. Here will be full of nature, like here behind it. Nature. So we are right now in the garden of my friend. He will come in a few minutes. We check if he allowed us to film here, but what a place, like wow, it's in middle of yeah, like nature. I will chill here a little bit. I don't know what he have here inside, and check to make fire. Nice. So maybe he will allow us to film here his garden. What a garden, that's amazing. Magst du noch erinnern? Okay, we go here. And how you say, like it's this like a wild garden?
Yeah, this is natural forest gardening.
Oh my goodness, look at this. That's special, bro. Weißt du, wie viel Arbeit? How many hours? Look at this. You also have marijuana? No. Oh, so sad. Look at this salad, huh?
Here, salads are here.
Oh, this is amazing.
This is onions.
Look at this.
Chili. By small.
Wow. Look at this.
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins here. And where are the animals? No animals.
No animals. Cows. Hast du cows too?
Yeah. No? Amazing.
Tomatoes.
Here we have tomatinhos.
Self-made Gartenhaus.
Wow!
Geil?
Mega geil! Oh my goodness! Look at this.
No mehr tomatoes?
Here tomatoes.
And da the Havana Lounge.
Yeah, it was a Havana Lounge.
But jetzt ist es inside. Kannst du schauen.
Wow. Oi! Oh my goodness. Right now I think we can. The car is in the garage, so but he has a new toy, big bike, so maybe we can go by bike. Would be amazing. Like I'm a bike lover. We check what happened. Ella. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Oh my goodness. Ella. Here we go. Switzerland. Wow. Here, look at this. They're building a little house on wheels, but I think he will not move it. So today we go a little bit to nature with the kids, and right now we are in a like friend's house, and wow, it's amazing. They are living like in middle of nature. Wow. It's a cruiser.